In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import, merge, and export CSV files in Notion. We'll walk through this process step by step, starting right inside your Notion database. Imagine you already have a table or database open in Notion, and you want to bring in data from a CSV file, combine it with what you already have, and later export everything back out as a CSV if you need to. That's exactly what this workflow is about. First, look at the top right corner of your database. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. It's usually positioned just above your database, on the same line as the database title and view options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Notion keeps a lot of advanced options and tools related to your database, including importing and exporting. When you open this menu, you'll notice options for changing database settings, properties, and views. This is also typically where you'll find actions related to bringing in content from external files, like CSVs, as well as options for exporting your current data. The 3 dots menu is important because it centralizes everything you can do to manage and structure your database. So it's the starting point for most data management tasks in Notion. Before you proceed to actually importing or exporting, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct database. If you work with multiple tables or multiple views, verify that the title at the top matches the database you want to modify. This helps you avoid accidentally importing data into the wrong place. Once you're in the right spot and you've opened that 3 dots menu, you're ready to move on to importing your CSV file, merging it with your existing records, and later exporting the combined data. Throughout this process, remember that the 3 dots menu is your main control center. Anytime you need to adjust how the database behaves, change how information is displayed, or move data in and out of Notion, you'll almost always start by coming back to this menu. In the next parts of the workflow, you will be using the options available from this same menu to handle your CSV files smoothly, keeping your information organized and consistent across all your tools.